What if you could make stronger connections with your customers, run your business from your phone, and drive success across your entire company faster? Salesforce is the customer success platform for your business. Sales Cloud lets you sell faster from anywhere. Service Cloud provides amazing and instant customer service. Marketing Cloud creates one-to-one personalized journeys for every customer. Analytics Cloud revolutionizes the way you understand your company's data. Community Cloud connects all of your customers, partners, and employees. App Cloud is a single ecosystem for building, discovering, and running all of your apps with either clicks or code. And with the IoT Cloud, anyone can easily listen to data, design real-time engagement rules, and automate smart actions personalized to connect you with your customer and all your Salesforce apps. Finally, companies of any size, across any industry, have a new path to success. Connect your customers in a whole new way with Salesforce.